Well, why am I showing you this video again? It's because when I upload a video short, I just get dismal performance. So we're not going to do shorts anymore, and if we do shorts, we're going to do typical widescreen formatted videos. My audience just doesn't seem to get the same exposure that they do when I release it as a short, and my numbers are certainly telling exactly that. So here's this video re-uploaded, and let's answer the question about, can a giant Duckman fit inside of a tiny Eleanore? So please, everybody, licky, likey, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out duckshit.net for all of my different social media links. Thanks for watching! Yes, I can see out the windshield just fine. I've got the seats attached almost directly to the floor, and it gives me plenty of headroom. And there's more headroom in here than there is on my 350Z, so we're actually really good. And my eyes are aimed right out the windshield. Most of the dimensions in this car I sorted out for me. I wanted the steering wheel in line with my chin, and that means my eyes are looking right about through the center of the windshield. I think this is going to be good. I mean, my knees are almost straight like they are on the Z, so these seats are really, really close to the floor. I like it.